In this video we're going to look at some words and phrases that might be useful during this current COVID-19 crisis. Let's start. The Irish for virus is virus, virus, and fever is fiabhras, fiabhras. Tá sí tain le fiabhras. She is sick with fever. Tá sí tain le fiabhras. Broite is another word for sick. Broite. Tá sí broite. She is sick. Tá sí broite. Teocht is temperature. Teocht. Bhí a theocht ag ordú. His temperature was rising. Bhí a theocht ag ordú. Casacht is a cough, and druch casacht is a bad cough. Bhuail druch casacht é. A bad cough hit him. Bhuail druch casacht é. Tinneas is a headache. Tinneas. Tháinig Tinneas He got a bad headache, or a bad headache came upon him. Tháinig Tinneas Isolation is a word you'll hear a lot of lately, and the Irish for isolation is iargúltacht. Iargúltacht. But you could also say leithlisú. Leithlisú. Comadach leithlis é. He was kept in isolation. Comadach leithlis é. Tá sé ag éirí corthónach. He is getting restless, or he is getting fidgety. Tá sé ag éirí corthónach. It could also mean he is getting cabin fever. Donimar sa teach, ní raibh rogha bith eile a gcuin. We stayed in the house. We had no other choice. Donimar sa teach, ní raibh rogha bith eile a gcuin. Níl cead a gcuin dul amach, mar tá an vírus ag leatha fud na domhan. We're not allowed to go out because the virus is spreading around the world. Níl cead a gcuin dul amach, mar tá an vírus ag leatha fud na domhan. You could also put in fud na tíre there as well instead, at the end, instead of fud na domhan. Fud na tíre means throughout the country. Fud na domhan means throughout the world. Beg an saol ash mar a bhí go luath le cúnamh dé. Life will get back to normal soon, hopefully. Beg an saol ash mar a bhí go luath le cúnamh dé. Another phrase you will hear a lot of in English is be safe or stay safe. In Irish, be sábháilte. Be sábháilte. Stay safe. Sin mar atá an drochuair. That's the way it is, unfortunately. Sin mar atá an drochuair. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll be back very soon. Garbh magat agus bí sábháilte.